Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to reset a Fitbit Surge. So let's begin. So if the Fitbit Surge is tweaking out, or if it just displays something and the screen doesn't want to work, the touch doesn't want to work, go ahead and hold down the power button and the down right button. It's for about 10 seconds. And then afterwards slowly let go, and then you'll just see it flicker, and then it'll come back up as the Fitbit logo, and then it'll boot up. Everything starts functioning, and that is how you reset a Fitbit Surge. Thanks for watching, guys.